Let me tell you a story that we are all very familiar with. In fact, it was several times. There was a very renowned professor who was invited to talk on a topical issue. Everybody was anxious to come and lecture this professor. What happened? The hall was packed full. People were struggling. They are very fast on approaching. The professor said, put out the light. The professor asked them, put off the light, so they put off the light. And after about 3 hours, he said, this concludes my paper. Put on the light. And they did. There was only one lone figure sitting in the hall, far end of the hall. And he said to the guy, you must be the only one who understood the points I was making. And the man said, no, sorry, sir, I'm not one of them. I'm your driver waiting to take you home. So apparently the professor wasn't communicating. But because he said, put off light, he didn't know people were going out one by one. So don't put off the light. Begin to go out. In this my short address, I will then stop and make sure that we all listen to the address. To me, it is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today to speak on a matter that defines our present and may shape our future. The urgency and the efficacy of unity and social cohesion are the solution. In spite of these blessings, we are confronted with deep-seated challenges of insecurity, poverty, ethnic and religious tensions, political fragmentation, social and economic stagnation. These challenges did not develop overnight, nor will they disappear until we resolve to take deliberate, collective, decisive action. Before we go further, we must admit that we are the architects of our own problems. We must stop the blame game if we truly and genuinely want to find a lasting solution to our problems in the North. Division has cost us progress, while indifference and inaction have continued to deepen our division. If we are to overcome our present travails, we must return to the principles of justice, equity, mutual respect, shared purpose that once made northern Nigeria a beacon of hope, peace, unity, and development. Over the last decade, banditry, terrorism, insurgency, and communal clashes have turned our villages into battlegrounds, displacing millions and crippling our economy. Despite its vast resources, the North remains the poorest region in the country, with alarming rates of illiteracy, unemployment, and poor infrastructure. Mistrust between and among ethnic groups and religious communities has been exploited by selfish and desperate interests, leading to violent conflicts. Instead of uniting for common goals, our elites often prioritize personal and sectional interests over collective progress. The challenges facing northern Nigeria are intricately interconnected. Insecurity scares away investors, which in turn deepens poverty. Poverty fuels desperation and crime. Ethnic divisions weaken our collective resolve to demand good governance. Political fragmentation ensures that no meaningful development takes root in our region. This is not the North that all of us here inherited. But there is a path that could lead to a better future for northern Nigeria. And this part begins with our collective decision to abandon division and embrace unity. We must tone down our inflammable statements and return to that golden era when we used to have genuine and deep respect for each other. After all, not long ago, we treated each other first and foremost as brothers and sisters. When the appellation Northerner captured our collective essence before our ethnic, sectional, and religious affiliations. Some of you in the audience here may still remember with nostalgia the old northern region under the leadership of Sir Ahmadu Bello, Sardauna of Sokoto, when the North actually thrived because it was built on equity and justice. The Sardauna did not see Hausa, he did not see Fulani, he did not see Kanuri, he did not see Doma, he did not see Gala, he did not see Ndope, he did not see Okum, he did not see so many other tribes. The only citizens he saw were Northerners. He invested heavily in education, in agriculture, in infrastructure, not for one group, but for the